speed winds of about 51 miles per hour. If you take a look at this now, it looks like we're seeing just over 8 miles per hour here. Now that is significantly slower, but our weather team says not to let that fool you.
You could hear it and see it. High gusts and winds hitting the land of enchantment.
This is a pretty widespread wind event through central and southern and eastern New Mexico.
But what do high winds mean ahead of a storm?
Drawing in all this cold air out ahead of the next storm system is going to set the stage for a heavier snow event.
Heavy winds caused over 3,000 customers to lose power last night.
The power was restored fairly quickly, within under 2 hours in the middle of the night.
On top of power outages, you should also be aware of power lines.
Sometimes snow and ice accumulations can weigh those down, maybe cause them to break, or with high winds like this, that can cause items to blow into power lines or electrical equipment.
Damage to equipment spikes around this time of the year because of bad weather.
Driving safely and a little bit more cautiously, being hyper aware of your surroundings and how you're driving is very important.
Even though the sun is out, there's still snow on the way.
A lot of people may be thinking, oh, the storm missed us, but it's going to be a later in the day Wednesday deal.
And earlier today, this dirt was just flying right out of my hand. You could see it starting to move a little bit, but those high winds are just coming in waves. Coming up tonight at 5, I'm going to tell you those 6 essential items that you should have at your home as we get more cold weather. Reporting live from the Sunport, Marissa Armas, KOAT Action 7 News.